In the school I was trapping. In the school you was class clown.
Hey, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to go from a bum that just got off the shower to looking like a baddie that's about to pop out, okay? So, y'all know the vibes. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, go watch my other video. And yeah, thanks for watching. So now I'm gonna get into doing my eyebrows. And now that I finished my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and put concealer on my eyelids. Maybelline concealer. The first color I'm gonna go in with is a color from the Revolution Pro palette, and first color I'm gonna go in with is gonna be this color, and I'm going for like a glam look today, so this color is right next to this color, and it's a little bit darker. With this Maybelline concealer and this angled brush, so the color that I'm gonna go in with is this color right here. I don't know if you can see, it's like a shimmer type of color. So now I go in with this Forever 21 eyeliner. liquid eyeliner. Aloe vera gel. And I just put it all over my face. Back in with my Maybelline. Everything I use is Maybelline. Like, that's what I feel like. I need to go shopping for makeup.
I really need to go shopping because, first of all, I'm ran out. Second of all,
I usually go in with my LA Colors palette to contour my face. But today I'm going to use this Bare Minerals concealer that I got and my fish brush. I'm gonna be baking my face now, and I told you guys that I use this Bare Minerals baking powder, and I mix it with the Revolution. Baking powder to like brighten it up more. And this bigger brush that I used for my nose to set my face with the baking powder. I don't usually wear blush, but I'm gonna put on blush today just because of the fact that doing a glam look, and usually in glam looks people will have like a little bit of blush on. So this is the same kit as my eyebrow kit. It's like a really big box like this, and it like you open it, and that's what I use for my eyebrows. And this is what I'm going to be using for the blush today, this pink. So I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to go into that pink that I said I was going to use, and it was really pink, really. And stuff in this, the top row is highlighters, and then these are blushes, and I guess this is just like this type of gold or whatever. This one that's all the way on this side, and I'm gonna be putting it in like the little areas.
Look right here. Oh, not too much. Can I put it on my brow bone also?
With this glitter primer, and I'm gonna apply it right underneath my eye. And even though I'm getting the glitter like where I don't want it, I know I'm gonna teach you guys something that you could do to get the glitter where you want it. Just gonna like lightly brush the glitter away, because using anything else will not help get the glitter off. So you just want to slightly like wettish. This is the final look of what I did, and I want you guys to like and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Be a baddie for the day. So I want you guys to let me know what you think about this video and give me more video ideas.